So on this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram uploading problem. First thing, go to settings on your phone. As you can see, this is the settings page. Go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. So what you want to do is scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and click here on storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again, click here on this force stop in the top, as you can see. After that, all what you want to do is go back into the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and enable the airplane mode for 6 seconds, and after that disable it and restart your phone. So don't forget to like and subscribe.